Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, if you're new here today, I want to ask you to consider subscribing. We have a great little channel here with a lot of different videos on it with different content. We have a little beauty, we have a little unboxings, or maybe we have a lot of unboxings. I'll have to rephrase that. We have some collaborations and we do battles. We do battles with each other, so to speak, and I do battles between boxes to see which one's better than the other. We just have a little bit of fun here. We'll be having some advent calendars coming up real soon. So consider subscribing, and all my subscriber friends that are here and return and ready to watch another video, thank you very much for being here today. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Today we are going to have Earfleek. Yes, it's time to find out what they have sent us. And of course I've got all my scissors and everything somewhere else. Not here where I need them, but I've got my little handy dandy tool that I got from the Manbox. Earfleek runs about $3.94 a month. You can get it for a lower cost if you want to do a 3 months, 6 months, or a year. I do it every 6 months, and I think they charge me $20 and some odd cents for 6 months. And I'll have a coupon link down below. I hope it works for you. Sometimes people have trouble with it, but you're supposed to be able to save $1.94 off your first purchase. But if go to the website if you're interested. They usually have other specials while you're signing up. But I really like the Earfleek. You get one pair of earrings. It always comes in this nice little envelope here. And it always comes in this bright pink package. And then inside here, we have our nice little pair of earrings. And I've never thought about it before, but I could probably use this for shipping, just using this little bag itself. Okay, we can repurpose that. Hey guys, looky here. This is our Mod Mama. So is this the modern style mama? That's what our month is. It says channel your inner go-go gal with Mod Mama dangly earrings. These black and gold circular detailed earrings add a fun touch to any look. Pair with a cat eye liner and lipstick. Ooh, well, I've already got the cat eye liner kind of going on here. And got some bright lipstick. So let's see what it looks like. It always comes in this little pink bag, so it's oh so cute. And I don't know if I told you guys, but this is going to be a this and that Earfleek, Belk, and Buxom. And we're going to have several little different things that we're going to open here. These are the earrings. They're kind of snazzy looking. I thought they were going to be bigger by the way they described them. But they're just going to be like little dangly earrings with the black on there. And they look very cute, asymmetrical. So I like those, and guys, every month they tell us a value. The MSRP on these are $15.99, and like I said, for me, I get them for a few dollars. Very affordable, very cute. Do you like them? Would that be something you'd like? And they're just random. I never know what I'm going to get each month. I do think I have classic down as my choice. I don't like cutesy. I'm sorry, guys. I guess maybe I'm too old or something, but I prefer a more elegant or classic look. I mean, I like a boho every once in a while, but those are my preferences. And the next item we're going to go to is from Belk. And some of this just arrived today. Some of it I've had sitting over there waiting to open up. When I do Earfleek, I try to add a few other things because it's just that one little piece. Ooh, and here we have more jewelry. So it fits right along with our theme. And in here I have, I've got a bracelet that's made out of wood. So it's like a wooden bracelet. And the retail value on this is $24. And I can tell you right now that I paid like $5 for it. So I think I got a really good buy there. Then I decided to buy matching earrings. And these have a retail value of $16, and those were around $5. So I would say everything that we're going to see today is going to be around $5. And then on top of that, I decided to buy the necklace to match. So there you go. And I don't know if it matches it exactly, but I think it's close enough. It's got some wooded looking bead here. It's got the gold and a little bit of white through here. But I think it will work out just fine together. This would be the look for this. So, I don't know. I think it looks pretty cute. Can't wait to try it out with something. This will really look good for my island. You know, like when we go to Mexico or we go to an island for our holiday, for our vacation. Don't know when that's going to be. I don't have any planned. We usually go in November, December, and I don't think we're going to go this year. So probably maybe sometime early next year we'll go somewhere. But anyways, that was in that bag. And I have one more bag here. We had Earfleek, we had Belks with the jewelry, and I have something from Bare Minerals. And this is actually Buxom is what I ordered. But, so I guess Bare Minerals maybe owns Buxom. I'm not sure, but clear as day it says shipped from Bare Minerals from South Haven, Mississippi. So Bare Minerals is another, cosmetic company, and they may have purchased Buxom because I got both of these. This was $25, and it has a lip plumper and a lip gloss and a lip liner. And then I got the Buxom plumping lip gloss kit. So it's got 2 plumpers in it, and the plumpers that are in this one is Dolly and White Russian Sparkle, and I love both of those. So I'm starting to run low on my plumpers, and I don't know if you all know, but Buxom is my favorite. I usually get several, and they last me through the year. And I use other, cosmetic plumpers, but for real, my go-to is Buxom. I mean, I have a Buxom in every place. All my purses, in my bathroom, by my desk. I've just got them everywhere because I like their plumpers. To me, their plumpers really work. They smell good, and they even have a nice, some of them taste like strawberry or cotton candy. I got me a lip liner, and I don't know, let's see, the lip liner might be a Dolly Fever, it says, and that's what it looks like. I'm not very good at this, guys. Let's try it this way. There we go. I'm already so dark it's hard to even see it. Seems like it's broke. So I don't know if that's supposed to be moving up and down. But that's a nice color, and I like that. Gonna have to find out about that. I may have to get a replacement. Okay, guys, and then I've got the Hello Dolly lip plumper, and then I've got the Dangerous Dolly. Is that what this is? This is the lipstick color. And Dangerous Dolly. Look at that. That's really dark, and it's like a dark mauve. It's not very pigmented, so I mean it's elusive on the color. I wonder if that's a lip balm. It acts more like a lip balm than it does balm. Okay, yeah, this is a lip balm. I was going to say it didn't feel like a lipstick. So this is a Buxom lip balm, and that's why it went on lighter. And it's very moist, just feeling it on my hand there. But I know on my skin, y'all are not seeing that very good as far as colors go. Maybe I should do it, on my inside of my wrist. But even then, I'm just not very good at doing the camera and showing you guys the colors. But I'm definitely going to have to talk to them about this because it's broke. So we'll see. That might have got broken in shipping. But anyway, that is my Buxom that I got from the Bare Minerals, apparently. And they do have me a return thing, so I can send back product if I need to. And I just may need to do that because this has something wrong with it. So that's all I have for my Earfleek. And as a recap, we had the earrings from Earfleek. I had the jewelry with a bracelet and earrings to match, along with a necklace that will coordinate with these 3 pieces together. And I got all of that relatively for like $16. And the necklace had I don't know if I told y'all, but the necklace retails for $28. You can see that there for yourself. And then I already showed you this was $24 and this was $18 for the earrings, but I got all of that for about $16. So that was a great buy. And Belk has great sales. I just can't reiterate that you should check them out. I'm going to put my little Buxom goodies back in here because I do have to contact them about this liner. It's broken, and I just don't want to pay $25 and have one piece of it being broken. So I will check into that. But my Buxom, I've got my lip plumpers, and I know I love them, so that's not a problem, and I'm sure I'll enjoy the balm. And for today, that's all I have for these three companies. I want to thank you again for joining me, and I want to ask you again to be sure and check my descriptions. I have several giveaways going on, including my 850 giveaway. I have a Fabfitfun in Bombay and Cedar battle giveaway going on, and I have a Monday collab going on with one of my new friends, Brandy, from Simply Southern Belle Vlogs and etc. And I know you all will love her. If you haven't gone over and checked her channel, please do. She is just a wonderful friend. She's a wonderful lady, and I think you'll really like her content. And I guess that's all I have going on right now. Of course, there'll be more collabs coming this month. And as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.